What's going on, everybody? It's PK. I'm back here with an unboxing video and also a review on some new kicks I just picked up. So let's get to it. I know it's been a while. Been busy with work and things like that. This is something I picked up from Hidden. This is from the drop before the last drop. It's a Hidden shirt. Some of you guys know that Hidden past, present, future brand. Pretty cool brand. They have this monthly drops every other month or so. So I'm gonna open this. Show you guys what this is here. Boom. Nothing on the back. This is really good quality shirt. Supposedly cut and sew from LA. I have a few of their things. Really happy with the quality. Customer service could improve. Had to reach out to them for something and haven't really gotten the response that I would like to get. But aside from that, I have some dope stuff. Always throw stickers in on all their orders. And this is a hoodie, sun faded hoodie. Boom. And I went with a medium. I'm about 5'10", 170 pounds. Mediums fit pretty good on me. Good quality. Not bad at all. And last but not least, just opened these yesterday. I should have unboxed it with you guys. New Balance Aimeleondore 860v2 model. I went with a size 9.5 in men's US, but I usually just go to my UK 9 size. I go to a UK 9 to be on the safe side. Comes with some dust bags here. One dust bag. Pretty nice if you're traveling. You want to put them in your bag, in your suitcase. Carry on. I just had to show you these because when I opened them up, I said, I really like that off-white color that they have, and it has the off-white lace. It has the white laces, white and green, but also I noticed they had off-white with the green. In addition to that, they also had like the off-white. This is more like it's more like the egg cream kind of color, like a sail, but it really nice. Nice contrast in the colors here. Look forward to wearing these soon. It has the Queen's Crest logo on the back. Very lightweight. Nice shoe. Just wanted to share my latest pickup with you guys. I want to focus more on videos, bring some meaningful content. I want to, I'm going to show you some new stuff, some mixes. I'm gonna do some DJ mixes and some music productions. Anything else you wanna see, just hit me up, let me know. Feel free to leave a comment below, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next one, peace.